Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flash flood warning for northern Crawford County, southern Franklin County, southeastern Gasconade County, northwestern Washington County until 12:15 p.m. At 9:12 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Union, Southern, St. Clair, Tuba, Bourbon, Anthony's Mill, Parkway, Leesburg, Miramiquoa Park, Lanadell, St. Cloud, Stanton, Japan, Oak Hill and Piney Park. This includes the following state parks: Onondaga Cave State Park and Merrimack State Park. This includes Interstate 44 in Missouri between exits 203 and 242. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Crawford, Franklin, Gasconade, and Washington. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:15 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Crawford, Franklin, Gasconade, and Washington.